The F-35A Lightning II is one step closer to becoming the next Air Force aircraft and the first fifth-generation platform to be compatible with the refurbished B61-12 nuclear gravity bomb, according to the F-35 Joint Program Office. Two F-35s recently took off from Nellis Air Force Base in Nevada for a full weapons system demonstration, which is considered the graduation flight test exercise for achieving nuclear certification from an air-delivered platform. Pilots from the 422nd Test and Evaluation Squadron, which is part of the Air Force's 53rd Test and Evaluation Group, dropped two high-fidelity, non-nuclear Mach B61-12s at Sandia National Laboratories' Tonopah test range. The jets fired the inert weapons at various altitudes and airspeeds, clearing the desired flight envelope for the F-35A. The flights were the 10th and final guided release of B61-12 test assets on F-35A. While the F-35A has not yet been fully certified to conduct real-world nuclear operations, the successful completion of the full weapons system demonstration marks the end of on-aircraft testing for the F-35A's initial nuclear certification effort. B61-12 capability on the F-35A is also a significant accomplishment for the F-35 Joint Program Office and Lockheed Martin, as it is the first weapon to complete development and integration during the F-35's modernization phase. The B-61 has been in service for 5 decades and has undergone a life extension program that has resulted in the consolidation and replacement of 4 legacy bomb variants into the B-61-12. In short, the B-61-12 bomb will be certified to fly on the F-15E, B-2, F-16C/D, F-16MLU, PA-200, and B-21, in addition to the F-35A. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.